BCBAs, this is your de-escalation guide. Our single purpose when entering a behavior de-escalation session is clear. Keep the technician in stimulus control while we guide the child back to HRE. Happy, relax, and engage. Here's exactly how I do it. 1. Greet the technician. Begin the session with a greeting to indicate the technician of your presence. Do not provide immediate directions, just observe. This step should be about stabilizing and supporting them with your presence. 2. Observe and assess. Observe first and see what step of the behavior support plan the technician is. 3. Respond to dangerous behaviors such as elopement, physical aggression, property destruction, and self injurious behaviors. Our first priority is safety, so immediately block any attempt to hit or elope. Remind the technician that they will have to follow the behavior support plan. If your technician does not remember the steps, provide step by step instructions with a neutral voice and model if you need to, but not with the child. Let the technician lead. 4. Remain in the background. The goal is for the technician to maintain stimulus control and be able to de escalate the behavior, not for the BCBA to de escalate it and take over. 5. De-escalation focus, not following demands yet. Pause non-essential demands and focus on de-escalation. The goal is HRE. And there you go. Safety first, dignity always, technician in the lead. Once HRE is achieved, we analyze what happened and plan the next steps. Follow for part 2.